Have you ever wondered if a medication primarily used to treat breast cancer in women could hold the key to improving men's health? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of anastrozole and its surprising benefits for men. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this.
Anastrozole, often known by its brand name Arimidex, is a medication that has revolutionized the treatment of breast cancer in postmenopausal women. But what if I told you that this little pill also has remarkable applications for men? That's right. From treating gynecomastia to enhancing testosterone replacement therapy, anastrozole is making waves in men's health.
Let's start with gynecomastia, a condition that affects many men around the world. Gynecomastia is the enlargement of breast tissue in men, often leading to physical discomfort and emotional distress. It's commonly caused by hormonal imbalances, particularly an increase in estrogen levels.
Enter anastrozole. By inhibiting the enzyme aromatase, anastrozole reduces the conversion of testosterone to estrogen, helping to restore hormonal balance and reduce the symptoms of gynecomastia. Now let's talk about testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT. TRT is a common treatment for men with low testosterone levels. But here's the catch. Some of that testosterone can convert into estrogen, leading to unwanted side effects like water retention and, you guessed it, gynecomastia.
This is where anastrozole comes to the rescue again. By preventing this conversion, anastrozole ensures that the benefits of TRT are maximized while minimizing the side effects.
Imagine undergoing TRT and feeling the full benefits: more energy, improved mood, better muscle mass, without the pesky side effects. That's the power of anastrozole.
But the benefits don't stop there. In some cases of male infertility, hormonal imbalances play a significant role. Anastrozole can help optimize this balance by lowering estrogen levels and improving the testosterone to estrogen ratio, which is crucial for sperm production and function.
For couples struggling to conceive, this can be a game changer. Anastrozole offers a new hope, a new chance at starting a family.
Of course, like any medication, anastrozole comes with its own set of potential side effects. It's important to be aware of these to make an informed decision.
Long-term use of anastrozole can lead to decreased bone density, increasing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It's essential to monitor bone health regularly.
There may also be an increased risk of cardiovascular issues, although more research is needed to fully understand this risk in men. And let's not forget liver function. Regular tests are crucial, as anastrozole can affect liver enzymes.
Other common side effects include joint pain, fatigue, hot flashes, and nausea. It's always best to discuss these potential risks with your healthcare provider to weigh the benefits against the drawbacks.
So, how can you make sure you're getting the most out of anastrozole while minimizing risks? Regular monitoring is key. Keeping an eye on testosterone and estrogen levels will help adjust dosages and ensure effectiveness.
Bone density scans are recommended for men on long-term anastrozole treatment to catch any issues early. And don't forget those liver function tests. Your liver will thank you. With the right monitoring and medical guidance, anastrozole can be a powerful tool in men's health, offering solutions to problems that once seemed insurmountable. Anastrozole is more than just a pill. It's a pathway to a better quality of life for many men. Whether you're dealing with gynecomastia, navigating testosterone replacement therapy, or facing infertility challenges, anastrozole might just be the solution you need.
Have you or someone you know experienced the benefits of anastrozole? Share your story in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more health insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you think someone else might benefit from this information, share this video with them. Remember, your health journey is unique and you're not alone. Let's build a community where we can learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.